how to open a Wise account. So if you want to open a Wise account, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then make sure that you've logged into your account. Now here you need to search for Wise. Once you've searched for Wise, you need to go with wise.com, and then it will take you to this kind of interface. Now if you want to create a Wise account, then you need to just simply scroll down, and then you'll have an option of open an account right here. Click on open. Once you click on it, you need to enter your email address. So enter the email address that you would like to use to create your Wise account. After that, you need to go with next. And then you need to check the email. So go with Gmail. And as you can see that you will have, please confirm your email address. You need to click on it and then go with confirm, which will be in the bottom. And your email has been confirmed. You need to go with continue, which will be in the bottom. And now what kind of account you would like to open today. So you can go with personal account or a business account. I'll just simply go with personal. And then you need to enter your country or region. So go and enter that. Once you do, you need to go with continue, which will be again on the bottom. And then you need to just simply scroll down and then go with continue. And here you need to verify with your phone number. So enter the phone number and then go with send verification code. And it will send you a verification code to the phone number that you've just entered. So you need to enter that verification code. And once done, at the last step, it will ask you to enter your password. So make sure that you entered a strong password, and then your account will be created. So that's how you can create or open a Wise account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.